Hi, it's Walter. My wife Amanda and I decided to get our concealed carry permits a little while back, so I started looking for an instructor that I like. Now, Austin Gun Liquidators in Round Rock recommended Citadel Firearms Institute, and they even gave me a discount code to enter when I register. I interviewed the instructor, George Zamora, and I liked what I heard. I liked talking to the guy, and we registered for the class online at citadelinstitute.com. Now, the course included range fees, lunch, not a box lunch in a classroom. We went to the Louisiana Longhorn Cafe in downtown Round Rock, and it was order anything on the menu. Now, George describes the class as a self-defense class that includes a concealed handgun proficiency certificate. It's spiced up a bit with the stories from George's fairly exciting law enforcement career. I won't tell any of those stories now. I'll let you hear them when you take the class. The class focused more on self-defense and firearms than classes I've taken in the past. There were some really good pointers on close quarter handgun use, exposure to low light situations, and there was a variety of handguns passed around the class to demonstrate the different features that are available. There were even some knife fighting techniques that he demonstrated. Now, one thing, George didn't dwell on the laws of force and deadly force as much as other instructors. That disappointed me because I enjoy the discussion of those laws, but it's only academic. Shooting someone is never legal, only justifiable. The potential consequences of using deadly force are so devastating that using it for any other justification than defense of self or defense of another person is just not wise. Now, we took one of the last 10-hour classes. As of September 1st, 4 to 6 hour classes will be the rule in Texas. So, if you're needing to get your CHL permit, I recommend the Citadel Institute, and don't forget to go to Austin Gun Liquidators before you sign up to get your promo code for a 10% discount. Thank you, guys.